Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use your AirPod or your headphones or even your earphone as an input in as an Apple device. So locate your Windows logo key on the keyboard and then go to setting, and in setting you just tap sound setting. Okay, sound setting. In sound setting here we see, okay, here we can find in systems we can be setting, or we can also tap your sound setting. Here we get it. Now for now we cannot see anything. For example, we see our speaker as an Apple device. We see crib speaker, we see headphone, and same thing microphone, and etc. But what we want to do is we want to use our AirPod as an Apple device, okay, and as an input device, and vice versa. So I'm going to connect the AirPod that I have here with me. And once I connect the AirPod, then I'll be able to use it as both. So all I have to do is just go back to Bluetooth and devices. Here at Bluetooth and devices, I can add device, or I can add it from here using this plus sign, or I can add it from here. So once I click add device, Bluetooth here, wireless, then I locate it, put it on. Now you can see it here. This is the name of the AirPod, Flow One. And then if I want to add a device, I just click on it for connecting. Now it's connected, and then I click done. So now I have it connected. All I have to do is go back to my systems here, and I go back to my sound. And in sound here, I just look for the device that I just used, right? So here is it. Okay, so I'm using this one now, headphone. Okay, and I'm also going to change it from microphone, okay, to this headphone. So if you want to change it, you just use this headset here. As you can see, now we're using it as an Apple device. Okay, we're using it as an Apple device. So if we want to use it as an input device, we can use the speaker here. So we have to change it to the speaker, and then we come here, we use it as an input device. So now we are using it as an input device. So that's how you can use your AirPod. But we're going to also try it on one of the communicating apps. Zoom is what we're going to use to implement this method in real time examples. Okay, but before that, if we also want to use our earphone or headphone, this is how it all works. Okay, and say you have a presentation and you want to use your AirPods or your headphone or even your earphone just as a simple input device. Maybe you don't want to listen to it for a longer period of time. So here we have speaker, okay, and headphone. And then if you come here below, you see input device here. So we can use only our microphone, okay, We use only our microphone as an input device, and also if you want to use both, we can see a speaker as an output device or our headphone as an output device. All right. So this way, once you insert your microphone, you would automatically see it here. It's going to register it, and once it is registered, it is registered, then you can use it as an output or an input device. So now let's go to one of the apps, and so we can use it and see how this really works. So I'm going to use the Zoom app. Let's just going to start a new meeting. So I'm just going to start a new meeting now. You also have to configure it from here. Where you see audio, now you just click on this arrow pointing upward, the arrow pointing upward, and then you from here you can be able to do the setting, or you can just go to audio setting. So now you can see you're not going to use it because here we have another microphone that we are using. So we have to change this microphone. Okay, we have to change this microphone to the one that we want to use. So if we want to use this headset flow one, which is for the AirPods, we have to switch. Okay, and now we are using it. So the speaker that we're using, again, we have to switch if we want to use this as a speaker also. But remember the setting that you did here, the sound setting, they should match. If you have a different setting here, as an input in Apple device, which is microphone here. So your input device here, I have to change this from microphone to headset. Okay, and I'm going to use this one also as a speaker. Now when I go back to my, okay, here you have headphone, and I'm going to use it both as input and Apple device. So when I change it from this speaker to this headphone, now you go back to your apps, your communicating apps that you're using for presentation, you also have to configure it that way. So select speaker, this one, and this one also for microphone. So if you have an earphone or headphone, this is exactly how you can use it. I don't want to use it as a speaker. All I want to do is to use it as a microphone. So I'll click here and I'll use it as a microphone, right? So then I have to go back. Once I select this speaker, I have to go back to setting, and then I have to make my Apple device here the speaker. And then this one will remain as the headset will remain as an input device. So we go back one step and let's test it and see. Okay, so now our speaker is okay. Now we are testing our microphone. Now it's working as an input device. So that this is how you can go about configuring your AirPods, your microphone, microphone as an input and as an Apple device. You can do it in parallel. You can do it in series. You can do it simultaneously, like using both the AirPods as an input and Apple device, or you use your computer speaker as an Apple device and use the AirPod as an input device. So now we will end this section and we see everything is okay. So we'll go back and configure it again. I'm going to use my microphone, okay? And then I'm going to use my speaker, okay? So now as you can see, so if I want to use it again, I have to go back to the Zoom app, and now In the Zoom app here, I have to use my microphone here, which is microphone H definition audio device. Then if I want to use, I also have to come and change it to the speaker here, which you see it here, and I can unmute myself and you can see it growing. So I can also test it. Speaker is working. Okay, so this is my microphone now that I'm using. Okay, so this is my microphone now that I'm using. And I'm using my speaker as an Apple device of my PC. And I'm using my speaker as an Apple device of my. So let's go back again. As you can see here, microphone as an Apple device, speaker as an Apple device. So if you have an earphone, it works the same way. So let's put the earphone and try it. Hey, thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, like my video, and share with others. And comment below at the comment sections. And I hope to see you within the next upcoming video. So thank you and have a great day.